Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing the MySQL 8.0.41 server and the latest version of MySQL Workbench on a Windows 11 computer. Whether you're setting it up for development or learning SQL, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official MySQL website. Click on Downloads, scroll down to the MySQL Community download link, and on the next page, download the Windows installer. Download the installer community and not the web edition. Once the download is complete, double-click the MySQL installer to run it. When prompted by the user account control, click Yes. In the installer window, select the setup type. For most users, I recommend full as it includes everything, but if you want to know what you are installing, go for the custom installation. Select the products you want to install. If you are a beginner, you can also install the documentation and examples. When done, click on Next. Then click on Execute. Once the installations are done, click on Next. Leave it at the default and click Next. Leave it at the default, which is recommended, and click Next. Set a strong root password and make sure to remember it. You'll need this later. Click Next. Review the configuration settings and click Execute to apply them. Once the configuration is complete, click Finish. Enter the root password you created. The installation is now complete. Click on Finish. minimize both windows. Next, add MySQL path to environmental variables, setting up the MySQL path in your system's environment. Variables allows you to access MySQL commands from any command prompt. Copy the path to the bin directory. Search for environment variables and select Edit the system environment variables. Under Variables, find and select the path variable, then click Edit. Under Variables, find and select the path variable, then click New. Paste the MySQL bin directory path, click OK to close all dialog boxes. Open Command Prompt and type MySQL version to ensure MySQL is recognized. Let us log into the MySQL. Use the root password you created earlier. You can use this command to show the databases in your MySQL. You can create a database using this command and give it any name you want. Open the MySQL Workbench and log in. MySQL Workbench is a powerful, user-friendly, and integrated graphical tool designed for managing and working with MySQL databases. That's it. You now have MySQL Server and Workbench successfully installed and configured on your Windows 11 PC. You're ready to start building and managing your databases. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you'd like to see tutorials on using MySQL.